Execute function only if a variable is true. I would like to run a function only if a statement is true. For example, I have. And I want to run this only when. And in key handler, I don't want to do something like this. I call this function from multiple places and I don't want to repeat var condition. Also, I don't want something like this. The last one I showed is the nearest to my needs, but still I think it can be done some other way. Idiomatic for Python 3. Greetings. PS. I want to get something like this.
Like this? If the above isn't suitable, I don't think it's clear what you'd like to do or why something like this wouldn't work.
Depending on where and how var is declared, you may be able to write a decorator, which will allow you to have a syntax like that. However, this isn't by any means more idiomatic than a simple if check in the body of the function, which you, for some reason, don't want.
You could use the short-circuit behavior of a Boolean operation to accomplish the task, but it is not clear that is what you are after.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.